Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make one pot mac and cheese. And this mac and cheese, it's so creamy, it's cheesy, it's going to be your go-to recipe for this classic dish. And you could either make it as an easy weeknight meal or you can make it as a side dish for your next holiday gathering. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna get started on shredding our cheese. I like to use a blend of sharp cheddar and mozzarella cheese. I have 8 ounces of each, so 8 ounces of cheese equals to about 2 cups of shredded cheese. So 2 cups of cheddar, 2 cups of mozzarella, so 4 cups total of shredded cheddar cheese, shredded cheese. Anyways, you want to shred your own cheese just because I feel like it melts a lot better and it just makes for better mac and cheese. And what I love about this recipe is that it all cooks up in one pot. The noodles cook up in the cheese sauce, which means there's going to be less dishes, and less dishes are always better, right? And the end product is just gonna be this like very velvety mac and cheese. You're gonna love it. It's so delicious. All right, so there goes the sharp cheddar cheese. Be careful not to grate your fingers while you're grating. Just leave the ends a little bigger, just so you don't cut your fingers, and it's just gonna get melted anyway. So now I'm gonna go ahead and grate the mozzarella cheese. And I love making mac and cheese, especially around the holidays, because just like mashed potatoes, I know it's gonna be a guaranteed hit with the kids. Because to be honest with you, they're not really fond of sides like green bean casserole or stuffing, but when it comes to mac and cheese, I know it's gonna be eaten by the kids. All right, so we are through grating all the cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the rest of the ingredients that we're gonna be needing for the recipe. This mac and cheese is made with the most simple ingredients, nothing fancy over here, which is what I love about it. We are gonna be using some whole milk. We have some heavy cream, some chicken broth. The noodles are gonna be cooking in the milk, heavy cream, and chicken broth. And then we're gonna add a little bit of garlic powder, some onion powder. Of course, what is mac and cheese without elbow noodles? So we have some noodles. And then at the end, when we add in our shredded cheese, I'm also going to add in some cream cheese. And also, of course, the secret ingredient that we are going to be adding is love. I saw this sign when I went to the vet's office to put our dog Jasper down. I'm not going to talk about it because I don't want to cry. But in the midst of my sadness, I looked up and I saw this sign and it said, the secret ingredient is always love. And I'm like, oh my God, that is so true. I just love watching my kids eating and enjoying something that I made with love. Anyways. So that's our secret ingredient today. Anyways, let's get cooking. Meet me over at the stove. All right, so we're basically just gonna throw everything but the cheese in the pot here. So in goes 3 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 cups of chicken broth. I'm also going to add in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. And then I'm going to add our elbow noodles. Go ahead and add these guys in. I'm gonna go ahead and give everything a mix. And I'm just gonna let it come to a boil. All right, it has come to a full-on boil. So at this point, I wanna lower the heat to medium-low. And then I'm gonna cook the pasta until it's tender. So this will take about 9 to 10 minutes. And then you wanna go ahead and stir it occasionally. Okay, sorry guys, I take that back. Every box of pasta is different, so some may cook up a lot quicker, some may take a little longer. I did use a different brand this time, and I checked it in 7 minutes and it's completely done. So while it's cooking, just check it. And you just wanna cook it until the pasta is tender, so it may vary, the timing may vary. So right now, I give it a little taste, and it's perfectly tender. So now off the heat, I'm going to add in some cream cheese. So I'm adding half a bar, which is 4 ounces. And I like to just put it in pieces so that it melts up a lot quicker. So along with our cream cheese, I'm going to add in our shredded cheese. It's a party of cheeses. And I'm going to mix everything until the cheese is nice and melted. What I love about mac and cheese is it's such a basic dish that everyone just loves. It's just a satisfying dish that even tastes great the next day. I mean, my kids could eat this for days. I'm also just gonna add just a splash of milk. I wasn't expecting the noodles to cook up that quickly and for it to absorb all the liquid. So if it's looking a little dry to you, just add a splash of milk. And continue to mix here. At this point, you wanna go ahead and check your seasonings, see if it needs any additional seasonings. And then we are pretty much done. This is ready to serve. All right, you guys, it is my favorite part of this video. It is the moment of truth. It is time for the taste test. And I'm really excited because it is just looking really, really good. All right, I'm gonna go in for it. Cheers, you guys. Seriously, I'm not making mac and cheese any other way. It's creamy, it's cheesy, it's so easy. That rhymes. Like why? Why do I need to make it any other way? This was such an easy dish to make and it's perfect. Perfect consistency, it's not dry. It's just, I mean, if you like dry mac and cheese, be my guest. But anyways, I like it this way. It's so delicious. Make this for your family. They're gonna love it. Tell your family that you'll be bringing the mac and cheese to your next gathering and they'll be happy. Anyways, thank you for spending time with me in my kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you make this recipe and please like and subscribe. That will definitely help me out and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.